Welcome to our channel, ERP Experts. Today we're going to talk about AI-driven inventory optimization, how smart predictions are reducing stockouts and overstocks. Ever faced stockouts that cost you sales? Or overstocked products eating up your storage space? You're not alone. But what if AI could help you predict exactly what to stock and when? The Inventory Management Challenge. Traditional inventory management often relies on guesswork. Too little stock? You lose sales. Too much? Your capital gets tied up. But now, AI-powered inventory optimization is changing the game. How AI solves inventory problems. With AI, businesses can accurately forecast demand using real-time data. By analyzing past sales, market trends, and even external factors like weather or holidays, AI ensures your inventory is always balanced. Benefits of AI-driven inventory optimization. So what makes AI-driven inventory management a must-have for businesses? Here's why. Prevents stockouts and overstocking, reduces holding costs, boosts operational efficiency, enhances supply chain visibility. The result? More sales, less waste, and maximum profits. Real-life use cases and success stories. Leading brands and small businesses alike are leveraging AI for inventory optimization. From e-commerce giants to local retailers, AI is streamlining supply chains and driving smarter decisions. How to get started? Want to take your inventory management to the next level? Here's how to get started. Step 1. Identify your inventory challenges. Step 2. Choose an AI-powered inventory management system. Step 3. Integrate AI with your existing supply chain. Step 4. Monitor and optimize based on AI insights. By making data-driven decisions, you'll unlock efficiency, save costs, and stay ahead of the competition. Ready to revolutionize your inventory management? Let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on business automation and efficiency. See you in the next video.